Good morning. All right, today we're going to show you a video on a commercial building. This one is you got angle stop shutoffs and you need a key to shut this one off. So if you ever run across where you can't shut it off, you need a key that fits in here. It's like a square key and it fits inside of this guy. Then you're able to turn the water on and on. So we got a call that it started leaking, and as soon as I turn the water on, there it is, it starts leaking out of the faucets. So yeah, turn it on, leak, off, no leak. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can go ahead and give it a replacement. The way this works here is you can either get a screwdriver on the bottom of that brass one, or you could just get some channel locks like this. Get yourself some baby channies. And then just turn that. Sorry that's not too clear. See how easy it'll be, that kind of want to pop off. Okay, and that's here. See how as I'm loosening it, this guy is coming just right out. See that? Okay, and we're gonna put the other one back on, and we should be good to go. So just want to show you guys on how easy that one can be taken off there. Something they look a little complicated, but at the end of the day, it's just a little bolt. It'll be this one here. So this is, we're gonna replace it with this faucet. This faucet here has the same deal. You can either get like a flat screwdriver or something. If they have that because it will get tight underneath and you can barely reach to it. Some cases you can't get that to the channel locks on that. Be able to tighten it up. So we're gonna see about putting that back on. See that? So I usually have a little stand.